Hello everyone and welcome to our quilling video. Today we'll be showing you how to make this Angry Birds green pig. You can see we have two googly eyes attached to it. For this what we'll be needing 5 strips in 5 mm of dark green color. Then here we have our light green strips. These are 1/3 each for the ears. These are also 5 mm. For the nose we have half a strip in light green 3 mm. We have two googly eyes. Then we have a black ball pen, an old pencil with a flat eraser, a white craft glue, a brush, quilling needle and a quilling coach. First we are going to make tight circles of these 1/3 light green strips for the ears, and we are going to attach our dark green strips together to make a long strip. We've joined the dark green strips together to make one long strip for the face. Here we have the two ears and a nose. Now we're going to make a tight circle for the face. Like this. Then we're going to glue it together. Now we have a tight circle for the face. We're going to make it into a little 3D form, just pushing it a little inside like this. Making a tiny mound on top. Now we're going to put glue inside our 3D form so that it does not collapse. Applying glue inside, and we're going to spread it with the flat eraser side of our pencil. Just gently spreading it inside. Then we'll let it dry. Now for the nose, we're going to make using a black ball pen. Just going to make tiny half circles. For the snout of the pig. Like this. After the face is dry, then we are going to attach the eyes and the ears and the nose. The face is now dry. The glue is set now. So we can start attaching the nose, the ears and the eyes. First we are going to attach the nose. Applying a little glue. Sticking the nose like this. Not exactly in the center, a little below. Because we need space for the eyes over here. Then we're going to attach the eyes. Line glue here. Going to stick our eyes like this. If you don't get googly eyes, then you can also just paint on the eyes using white and black fabric paint. Then we're going to attach the ears. Like this. Then we're going to use a black ball pen and make two curved lines for the eyebrows. Like this. And for the smile, just under the nose, we're going to make a curve with a black pen. Like this. There we have our Angry Birds green pig. If you liked our video, please share our video and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching our video.